Look how realistic this image are looking. And you want to create such image also on your own channel. You can see how realistic they are looking, like a real person. And this right here, and I'm going to show you guys on how you can go ahead and generate this image for free. As you can see, they all look alike. So right here, I'm going to show you guys on how you can generate this image for your channel. Maybe you are running an African test channel or you need such image on your book. So I'm going to show you guys on how you can generate this right here. So in my channel, I talk about how you can make money. I also show you guys free tools you can use as a content creator. And I'll show you guys, I did a live video 10 hours ago. If you are watching this video right now, this right now is 10 hours ago. So you can go ahead and watch these free online tools I show you guys that you can use. And this will actually give you an edge as a content creator. And these are free tools. You don't have to make payment for these free tools I mentioned in this video right here. So before that, let's go ahead and let me show you guys this website called piclume.com. So this is a free AI image generator that can convert your text to image, and these are for free, and there is no limit to the image that you can create on this website. So let me show you guys my gallery and show you guys of how I've created all this image for free. All you need is for you to go ahead and input your prompts on this website and then generate and go ahead and start to use this image for your videos. So what you need first is, as a beginner, you can go ahead to ChatGPT and upload your story. So I have a story of this title which says "The Boy Who Ignored His Mother Warning." So this is actually my title of the story, and I'm going to go ahead and generate the image for this young boy named Okelo. Also for his mother, as this Okelo was a stubborn boy in this story and also convinced for his bravery. So I'm going to generate the image that will show you the sign, how this can work. So okay, so go ahead and make this document, go to your ChatGPT, upload this story right here. You can input this prompt which says, from this story you'll be providing me the text prompt that I can use to generate image from the text I'll be providing you. So before I go ahead, so you want to generate a story, you are looking for an AI that you can use to generate such story just like this. You don't even have to think much on how you can generate story. So this is just an example of a story I generate with my AI, and I'm going to show you guys two platforms that you can go ahead and generate such story from for free. And all you will need next is for you to go ahead and give a natural touch and editing to your story. So the first website here is called Cloud AI. So this website right here, all you need just for you to put right here is write an African story with this title, "The Boy Who Ignored His Mother Warning." As you can see right here, in a small village, and so on and so on. So this is how I generate this story. And the next one right here is also a free tool where you can just come over here. It says story generator, and the website right here is called TinyWow. And there are so many other things you can do channel. So you said "The Boy Who Ignored His Mother Warning." So I just input the topic right here, and an AI generates this story for me with a different characters, different scenario on in this story. So you can go ahead and use this also to generate your own. You can even input your paragraph, 8 paragraph, 10 paragraph. So this is how you can go ahead and generate a script for your YouTube channel. So again, let's go ahead with this. So after you upload, you can just copy the story, like I said, to your Word documents, save the Word documents, then go ahead and click on this attached file. So when you click on this attached file, just like this, click on upload from computer, and right here you can see the story which says "The Boy Who Ignored His Mother Warning." Click on open, and this will be successfully uploaded just like this, and you can input this prompts that will generate image using your text. So right here, ChatGPT says, "Great, I have read the story. So let me know what type of image you would like to generate based on this 4 things." So an example is there is character focus, scene based, and abstract also. So right, I said give me the names of the character in the story. So we have just 3 people in the story, which is Okelo, the young boy who ignored his mother warning, and Okelo mother, a wise woman known for her knowledge of nature and warnings and about the forest. And number 3 is the spirit of the forest. So I'll show you guys on how we can generate this 3 image and the scene that we can use in this storytelling in the video. So now it says, okay, now provide text for each characters. So what I mean is that you add the age, dress, and the country of these people are Kenya. So, and I said describe the character so that I will use this as a consistent when creating image. So this prompt is what I'll be using to create different scenes on this story. So right here it says, here are the detailed text prompt for each character based on the story. So the first one is Okelo, a 12-year-old Kenya boy name with short title. So you can just copy this right here. Let's copy this and give it an editing touch. Can go ahead to your Word documents. So I'm going to paste this right here. So a 12-year-old Kenya boy named Okelo with short tight hair, curious confidence. He wears a simple light brown short sleeve made of woven fabric, dark green shorts reflecting the rural attire of his image. So his bare feet are slightly dust. So you can just go ahead and edit or add one or more. If the age is small, you can put, okay, let's put a 15-year-old boy, so with mysterious forests looming in the background. So you can add any other words to this. So let's go ahead and let's copy this. You can just copy this right here, or we can just say, okay, let's make it up to right here reflecting the entire image. So we are going to make use of this first one. So we can edit this. Okay, edit this. Is background fit are slightly formed. So let us go ahead and make a prompt about this. So first on this platform, which is a free, go ahead, you sign up with your email address. So after signing up with your email address, you click on create. So when you click on create, before you go ahead and paste your prompts, so you need a tool settings, which is, as you know, we are doing this for YouTube, so you have to make sure you put in 16:9, and also this can be 1 image, 2 images can be generated. So I'm using 2 image, and for 3 image are for subscribers. You can go ahead and actually subscribe to the premium for 3 image and 4 image. So I'll go ahead right now and paste this. So a 15-year-old Kenya boy named Okelo with short technical hair and a curious confident expression. So these are my prompt image. So I'll just go ahead and click on send. So this is show you guys that this is a real, and let me show you this just like me generating this in the video and show you guys how this work out. So a 15-year-old, and I will show you guys on how you can keep a consistent image for different characters in your video. As you can see right now, this is an image, the same look. You can see right here, this is a 15-year-old boy, Kenya boy Okelo with short, tight curl hair and a curious confidence. He wears a simple light background sleeve. As you can see, this shows like an African. As you can see, this look the same thing. So you can go ahead also and remix this picture for your. So this is how you create. So just go ahead, scroll down and click on remix. So for remixing, you can go ahead and repaste another prompt in this box right here. So when you repaste another box, this same image will be used to create another of your prompts. So this is how easy you can create an image prompt on your channel. So the second one is Okelo's mother. So a wise Kenya woman in her late 30s. So you can go ahead and copy this. So go ahead, let's go to my Word document also, as I'll edit the prompt to my taste. So this is a wise woman Kenya in her late 30s. So I will say a wise Kenya woman in her late 30s with 1 year. So let me put a 30-year-old, a 35-year-old wise Kenya woman with warm yet firm expression. So she wears a flowing, colorful yellow red symbol in Kenya. So around her neck is a handmade. So she carry a wooden So you can just do all this. The settings on cast the golden glow. So you can just copy this and go ahead with our prompts. You can still go ahead and edit your prompt to your text. So I'll go ahead to this image right here. So remember create. So when you click on create, so I'm not trying to remix this. So I want a fresh image for this prompt. So for a fresh image, let me click on create button. So when you click on create button and remember our settings, you come over here, you pick 16.8 and I will be creating with 2 images. So click on the prompt here and click on control and enter. So let's see what it will show us from this prompt. A 35-year-old wise Kenyan woman with warm yet firm expression. So, and this generates so much fast, and there is no limit to you generating image on this platform. As you can see right here, this is a fresh new image with a new image looking alike. So you can go ahead and use one of this image, and you can keep remixing this. So you can go ahead and use this for your own video. So this is how easy you can create. So then the last one right here is called the spirit of the forest. So you can actually generate any prompt and this will give it out. So this is how what I created with the prompts, or the last one, which is this. So this can also be used as a scene, just showing you a picture for someone who is watching the script, which is watching the video, to have an idea of what the evil spirit is that the boy talking about and the mother. So this right here is the prompt you can use in your video, and they are all free. Just click on generate the image and any type of image will be generated for you. And also you can use Cloud AI to generate your story, or you use TinyWorld. There is a tool also here where you can also use to generate your image. So this is how easy you can go ahead and start a faceless channel on YouTube doing Africa folktale storytelling. So go ahead, create story, create prompt picture from this website here, then you go ahead and make money on YouTube channel. So free tools is what I mostly talk about, and how you can also make money from platform without no payments, no fee, no paper, no sign up fee. Just go ahead and watch my videos of how I've shown you so many other tools you can use to make money. So if you gain value from my channel, go ahead right now and click on the subscribe button, as I have more information, much free tools to unleash on this website. So guys, thank you for watching.